So let's continue with our discussions on the administration of justice. In this video, I discuss on the various theories of punishment, what are the current or what is the important theory which is the reformative theories, and what are the Juvenile Justice Act do with this. What are the importance of Juvenile Justice Act in India? Hello guys, I am Kartikeya Hundet and a team of LEXIS and Company as an intern from their virtual program known as LEXCLIQ. The purpose behind this video is only for an educational purpose. So let's start our discussion on a very important topic, which is administration of justice. This is part 2 of this video. So in this part of video, I discuss on the various theories of punishment, which says that such punishment should be given for a criminal wrong. Criminal justice is one of the part of the administration of justice. So therefore, I start our discussion on the on this note of theories of punishment. So there are basically 5 types of theories: deterrent theory, prevenient theory, reformative theory, retributive theory, and theories of compensation. But in this video, I only discuss one of this theory. This is reformative theory because it plays an important role in India for the making of one of the special act legislation, which is called juvenile justice, only for minor children in India. So let's start our discussion on that note of what is reformative theory. As the reformative theory word can only be understood from the name of this theory. Reformative means a theory of punishment which is does not see the past of a person but sees the future of that person. What does this mean? Reformative theory does not mean that a person who is committed a criminal wrong should be punished in a harsh way. It should be treated as that such person has committed an offense, so he should be or she should be goes to the jail or imprisonment. But in imprisonment, he or she does not discriminate as criminal or treated as criminal, whereas there is a reformative or a rehabilitation or reforms scheme should be governed by the state towards the betterment of such persons to act goodly and in the interest of state in near future. Thus, the advocate of this theory justify the imprisonment not solely for the purpose of isolating criminals and eliminating them from the society, but to bring about a change in their mental attributes through the effective measurement of reformation during the terms of their sentence in imprisonment. From the word, we already know that. In the various Supreme Court judgment also, there is a reformative theory or approach should be taken by the court for dealing in a criminal laws. So if there is a criminal breach, the criminal violation of criminal right against a person or against a state, the court should deal or punish such person according to the reformative approach. So reformative theories relation to the juvenile justice. As we know that in Juvenile Justice Act juvenile justice is one of the specific legislation which deals for a punishment for a person who is minor, who is below 18 years of age, who committed any crime, should not be treated equally as an adult. Therefore, there is a requirement of a special court or a special cell or a special imprisonment or a special establishment for the children to be deal with such punishment. The earlier criminal justice system does not recognize any distinction between adult and juvenile offender, so the punishment were equally to each other. Therefore, after the reformative approach were popularized by the jurists or other lawmakers, the professors, the court or the government or state are recognized that there should be a juvenile justice or juvenile offenders should be treated not treated equally with the adult criminals in a matter of punishment, because they are easily attracted to the temptation of life and thus leads to the criminality without any real intention to commit such crime. So in India, the Juvenile Justice Act first started in 1890 by the British as a reformative school act, whereas there is a certain change. However, the act government after independence make a specific legislation replacing this approach by the Juvenile Justice Act of 1986. So 1986 is for young offender who cannot be treated, should be rather be corrected. So in Juvenile Justice Act, there is basically 2 important principle is this: they should not be treated but treated equally with adult, but giving a special treatment. UN Convention for Right of Children is also given, that the UN Convention was passed in 1989, which is provide a right of child to have a specific act of juvenile justice for them. Therefore, the government of India seized this opportunity by forming a specific new legislation called Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000. It replaced the existing Juvenile Justice Act of 1986. Whereas there is further development in this legislation, and the government need to make some amendment and legislation in the sector of juvenile justice. Therefore, in 2015, Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act comes with section 27 and 360 of CRPC were also given. Now discuss on the way what are the types of punishment. As we know that there are in under IPC, section 53 of IPC define basically 5 type of punishment: capital punishment, life imprisonment, imprisonment with rigorous or hard labor, and simple labor. Third is fortification of property, seizing of property, and fifth is the fine. So these are the basic principle which can be given to a person in a criminal justice system. So I hope you understand what are the administration of justice and understand what are the various punishment given under IPC to dealing with such thing. I hope you guys understand this video and understand that topic, which is administration of justice by me. I hope you like. If you like this video, please like my video and subscribe this channel for more updates related to legal issues or legal current affairs. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you are all in good health. Please stay safe, stay home. Please wear your masks if you are going outside your home. Thank you for watching this video.